The Collin County District Attorney's Office charged 3 people for the 2018 murder of an 18-year-old woman. Julia Wells was killed when prosecutors say she was lured into a prostitution trap and then pushed from a moving car. Her death led to a new Texas law, and now 3 people who were charged in a separate human trafficking case are charged for her murder. Fox 4's Peyton Yeager spoke with Wells' mother today. Peyton?
Steve, and the Collin County District Attorney's Office just released this information today. However, Julia's mother, Mary Wells, tells me that she was notified on Tuesday that 3 people were arrested in 3 different cities here in North Texas.
It was so much relief. So much relief. We waited for a long time. For a long time.
It's a moment that's been 6 years in the making for Mary Wells. This week, 3 people were arrested in connection to the human trafficking and death of her 18-year-old daughter, Julia Wells.
I just don't understand how people can do it. I don't.
Back in May 2018, state troopers told the Wells family Julia had been pushed out of a vehicle on the Dallas North Tollway, and that vehicle was registered to a known human trafficker out of Collin County. Wells tells Fox 4 Julia had autism and was trusting. Julia was 18 and lived with her boyfriend in Cleburne. The last thing Wells heard from her daughter, she was going to a friend's house in Dallas.
From what I was told, she brought her in, made her feel safe, made her feel comfortable, and sold her.
Wells was later told by investigators Julia's friend was 42-year-old Anna Hudson. 6 years later, Wells is still unsure how the two met. The indictments say Hudson of Maybank, Mark Daly of Plano, and Nikki Jordan of Fort Worth were involved in the trafficking of young women.
After that, I made a admission. I said, if we didn't know it, other parents don't know it.
I want to turn my family's tragedy into someone else's blessing.
In 2021, House Bill 985, also known as the Julia Wells Act, went into effect, requiring drivers' education to include human trafficking prevention. Wells is also president of the board of the nonprofit Breaking the Chains of Human Trafficking.
Our biggest thing is that we want to make sure that Julia has justice. She didn't deserve what she got. She didn't deserve any of it.
And the Collin County District Attorney's Office did not release how they tracked down the 3 suspects. They only said that multiple agencies were involved. That includes the Texas Rangers, the AG's office, and Dallas Police. Steve?